This is Michelle. Thank you for joining me today on my channel. I am working on a design team layout for my Creative Scrapbook. Now this is my fourth layout with this kit, and it has been so fun to work with. I still have plenty left, and so I might do a bonus layout. Who knows? But first of all, I just want to say I'm filming this right after Thanksgiving, but by the time it comes out, it'll be right around Christmas. So Merry Christmas to each and every one of you. And I'm so thankful that you choose to spend some of your time with me on these videos. And I hope that you have an amazing holiday season with your friends and loved ones. And so on to the layout. I am going to be using this sketch here. Now this month you get 2 sketches and access to 2 cut files, so that's a lot of fun. I think, so it has like a diagonal, almost like a folder type of deal that you can, tuck your elements in. So I know I'll be using a lot of the flowers and such that come in the kit. I was going to use, or I'm planning on using, these 2 photos with Santa. Now every year Santa is there for our Christmas Eve celebration, and so this is from last year. So Julia, my daughter, didn't come home for Christmas that year, so it's just my husband and I with Santa there. And these are the papers I have left. I have this poinsettia paper, and I might just cut some of these out. I haven't done that yet. I have this tree, and on the back is this holly, and then I have this notebook page. I'm pretty sure I'm going to use this as my base, and then I have this poinsettia piece as well that has the 4x6 behind it. And I thought I might use this. And it'll just cut across, and so that'll leave this big one here, all the matching little ones in the paper. That seems like that might work. Now I am thinking about using one of my Santas. I cut 2 of them out. One out of, I believe this was a 4x6, and then this one is out of one of the 12x12 papers, the one that had the red plaid on the back. And so I wanted to use one of them on the side, and since they're facing this way, I guess, where did I just have that sketch? Let me pull that out again. So I could do it and still have it going this way and have the title, or I could reverse this so it slants like this, and then this would be here, and then the title, and then I could do a few little embellishments in here, and then all the flowers and such in the around the photos. And then I thought for my title, I could do the It's Christmas Time, or I could do the Christmas Eve, and then 12/24. So I think that is probably what I'll do. All right, this might be an adventure. Let's see how it comes together. All right, so I'm definitely going to use the smaller Santa Claus that I have there, and I'm just going to cut on the diagonal, like I said, so that the higher edge is to the left, and then it slopes down to the right. And so there it is with the poinsettia. And I had cut off all like the tail ends of that paper. And so I'm immediately going, oh my gosh, what did I do? I've messed up. And so I'm trying to figure out how I want to overcome that. I look at a few different options with the paper that I have left, and then I decide, well, I'll just paper piece that poinsettia paper back together just to see if I like it, because the part that is missing is going to be behind the photos anyway. So I do really love how this looks, but for the sketch, it has, so many elements of um, ephemera and flowers and all that. And now I'm getting nervous because I don't know how well things are going to show up. I have my Christmas Eve title there. I'm pretty good with that. I'm going to go ahead and add some flowers. And on here, it doesn't, it looks like it might have worked, but I'm just feeling busy, and I know that I will be adding more to it, and I decide just to do white. So I've done some gold splatters, but other than that, I am going forward with just this. But I did give it just a little trim piece so it has a little bit of that pattern, and I did sew around it, similar to how it is in the sketch. So I am, making that pocket. So I've used 3D tape around 3 out of the 4 edges. And I'm just peeling that off and sticking it down and um, trying to get things straight. And then decision made, I'm going forward with this. And so I have my pictures, and so I have matted them with that black wall paper. I wanted to use a little bit of black because there is black in the title. And so I'm going to tuck these in. Now you can see I did mat them wider than I typically would, just because the pictures are going to like tuck down quite a bit, and I didn't want them to fall below that line, particularly with Santa's face. And so I gave myself as much of a cushion as I could. And so there are my pictures. I'm starting to add some embellishments. I've started with some tags and some of the little slides there. And now I'm just going to build that cluster over to the right. I'm using a lot of the picks and florals from the Believe Floral Bits, and I primarily use as well I use a lot of the Simple Stories elements on this layout. There are some from the 49 and Market as well, but mostly the Simple Stories. And so I've used from the sticker sheet, I'm using a lot of the sentiment, and I use some of the larger floral bits as well. So I tried to create, some different height levels so I can tuck my flowers into some of the pockets. I really like this little lantern that I have left from the 49 and Market embellishments. And I am going to use some of the gold dots as well. And so I have that, so it kind of looks like it's hanging from a nail, I guess. So I'm going to go ahead and start adhering some of my flowers. And I leave these flowers bare. I've colored some of the others on some of my other layouts, but since I use gold splatters on the white, the gold centers for these flowers work really well as, of course, the rhinestones in the small red ones work with just about everything. And so, yeah, I am finding some of the word sentiments that I like. So, what fun! I am going to add some of the Christmas gifts to this layout in the cluster up above as well as down below. There is my title, Christmas Eve. And yeah, now that I have made some decisions, this layout is moving right along. So, and the other thing I like about using the white background I mean, having the embellishments, having white around them, is no big deal. I don't know why sometimes it bothers me when they're against a color background, but sometimes it does. And so with this white background, I use quite a bit of the Simple Stories with that white trim because it just blends in so well. Um, Now along the bottom of along the top of the pocket, on the sketch, it has quite a few things tucked in. Again, just because of the pictures I chose, I want you to be able to see Santa's face. So I have a couple things there. Not going to add a whole lot down there. Instead, I'm going up along the sides. So I'm going to go ahead and stick that down. And as I normally do on a lot of the elements, I am gluing down the side that gets tucked in and using just a little bit of foam tape on the outside just to give it some dimension. And little pockets so that I have somewhere to rest my flowers. These flowers that I'm using, they are not particularly high profile, so if that is a concern for you, then if these are a great option. Of course, you can always remove the hard centers as well, and that will help you eliminate any height issues that you might have in your pages. Okay, so what am I doing there? I've added that deer because he's holding a package, and I think it's really cute. I'm going to add another little green package as well. I'm not sure exactly where that ends up. Yep, I get it to tuck right in there. And then I have just looking at a few different word sentiments. I'm going to add more of those little gold dots around the layout and just a few more greenery pieces because why not? I have them, so I might as well use them. And I am doing a little, usually, like with my flowers, I tend to keep them a little bit more clustered, but they're a little bit more sprinkled throughout this layout, which I really think is cute. And there are those gold dots. And yeah, this is coming together, and I think I am getting close to being done. I think the main things I'm still needing to add are just a few more word sentiments. So there's one I'm going to add there to the left. And then I also need to address that area above the family photo because I have those tags there, and I was trying to decide, do I just want to tie them off or do I just want to cover the holes? And I think that's what I end up doing is just covering them. Or I probably will bring in one of the ribbons from the ephemera. Those have been so handy in this kit. So there you are. Everyone, I hope you have a magical Christmas with your friends and family and loved ones. And thank you for watching my video. Be sure to check out my creative scrapbook. The link is in the description. And have a magical holiday. I'll see you on my next video. Bye now.